You want the weed barrier or not? Whoa. You hold it up or put it in there?
You having trouble getting it in, Joe?
Oh well.
Oh well.
You down there? Wilson! Ah!
Subscribe!
Today, we're rolling out turf on a rooftop in Brooklyn, New York. It's only supposed to be a high of 60 degrees, so we'll see how that goes. But since we're on a rooftop, I can only imagine it is going to be a little bit windy. You better go grab your boots. I'm gonna meet Willie over at the bagel shop. Come on, let's get this day going.
We're in Brooklyn at the job site, unloading the base panel system. These are from Easy Lock panel. There's the information on them. But they're almost about an inch thick base panel system to put the turf on top of hard surface. And in this instance, they have foam up there. Willie's running the cart at the moment, bringing the panels to the rooftop, and we'll get up there in a second, but it's just easier to load him up and then get him going. Oh, it's Willie. Are you hanging out in the elevator all day? 5, sir. Take me to my penthouse.
Some guy was like, oh yeah, you on floor 6? I'm like,
How do you get to 6?
where's 6?
How in the world do you get to 6? Is it one of those
Sharpie
stars?
just put 6 on
There, write it on there. It's the green level. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Let's look up there.
But no, the guy was like, it doesn't work. So I guess they got to rewire it or something because of, you know, the existing issue.
Okay. So since we're up here, I guess no one else can use the elevator until we go back down? Or somebody else goes back down?
They got to take the stairs.
That's awesome. All right, so here's one of the sections for the job site for today. This is a 12-foot circle.
Put a sensor bar over.
Didn't I put a Santa Claus over something before?
You put a sensor bar like over occasionally.
Also, when you gave me the finger at the last job, I put a pumpkin over that.
I still haven't watched that video yet.
Oh, that's funny. That's funny.
My sister, I called my sister, what, sometime early this week or whatever.
Yeah.
And she goes, yo, I got that dog in me. Like, yo, like, I remember it.
It's because you were wearing the shirt that had the hands pulled apart.
Got that dog in me.
Whoa.
You don't even need that, Joe.
Let's just see. I don't know.
Look.
So these are, what are these? These are from.
Just snap on. It's so easy.
Oh, you gotta.
Boom. You don't even need that. That
That's-
was easy.
That was easy, but we can't use that line.
Why not?
But the problem here is, look, it's keyed one way versus another way.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
This is the on top.
No, I understand. So if we're cutting out this piece can't be reused for something else.
Let's just make one big
Square.
piece. Yeah.
And then.
one big square and then just cut it up.
All right.
That's what I was doing.
Let's put it together.
That's what I'm doing.
Kinda.
First you make me come get you up for the elevator.
I think I understand how this works. There you go. Oh, that is pretty snazzy.
I like these better.
You do?
Yeah. It's gonna be easier to cut through too. Because they're not as thick.
I guess we'll be using these panels going forward if you're in love with them.
I love them. I got something for you, Joe.
You got another panel? Let's try to shimmy that side over here so that's right up against the edge before it gets too heavy. You know what I mean? I drove past that ram when they were pounding that into the ground. My truck was shaking, vibrating. It's bad.
I was watching when they were doing that.
Oh man, it's crazy. Might need to turn it up to 11.
Whoa there.
Yeah, whoa there is right.
Nice cut. Nice job.
We got a longer blade? One that won't,
You want a longer one?
yeah. One that won't hit into that metal.
Well, that's why I gave you a short one.
No, that's the longer one, so it won't hit that. Whatever the longest one you got in there. Yeah.
These are like the same.
Give me this guy. Yeah, give me that. Gracias, senor. That way I won't hit from the top down on the metal. Oh look, that way I can just ride this metal, right?
Oh, I got it.
See what I mean? What you think? See, that's what I was saying, is that it's keyed one way. It all has to go in the same direction. So you can't take this chunk and plop it over there. Maybe over there. How do you think it went?
Like a snap.
It snapped together pretty easy, huh? So we cut it with the jigsaw. There's a little metal edge going around it that we'll tuck our turf directly up to, but it's in there. It's pretty easy to snap together. So that'll be a nice base for us to put down the synthetic grass. And we got another area over here, right? We got an area over here. Yeah. They need to finish that up, right? Look at that turf. That's some nice stuff right there. Well, the other section is back here.
Extensión 1018. Escuche este mensaje importante. Si se accidenta en una obra de construcción, necesita un abogado que se dedica a defender los derechos de los trabajadores de la construcción.
Mi esposo se cayó en una obra de construcción. Inmediatamente llamé a Coraje. Estaban completamente deshabilitados.
Guess you're still working on that too. So, I think we're at a standstill, unfortunately. Let's see what we can do. Can you make it through there? We're still working on that one too. think we can stash a panel somewhere back here? Nope. It's gotta go right here.
Bienvenido a AutoZone. ¿En qué estás trabajando hoy?
I don't know. They're, I don't know. I mean,
Put in the zone.
how does zone? His battery dead. Just plop them. Bada boom.
I'm not trying to take out the wall.
Good morning and welcome back. My name is Joe. I own and operate a company that specializes in outdoor renovations with synthetic grass. Today we're headed out to Brooklyn to put in synthetic grass on a rooftop in 3 specific areas. Should be a lot of fun. The weather's supposed to cooperate. It's 6 o'clock right now. I am going to go grab the truck and pick up Wilson and meet Willie over at the bagel shop. So you better go grab your boots. Come on, let's go get this day going. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but my windscreen is dirty. I gotta clean that thing up before we get on the road because we're gonna be driving right into the sunset or sunrise. I need some more coffee. It's 6:30. I'm going to pick up Wilson, so we're on our way.
Got everything loaded up for today's job out in Brooklyn. 40-foot roll. Got the power broom, spreader, leaf blower, the typical rakes, brooms, so forth. We are installing it on base panels, so it's a little bit different than a typical installation, similar to that of a putting green. So the installation is going to be a little bit different. Instead of using the 6-inch nails, we're going to be using a crown nail, so a galvanized crown nail at 1 inch. I think it's like 1/4 inch wide or something like that, but we're going to install the turf directly into that base panel with those crown nails, and it'll be a secure structure for it. And then the weight of the turf, the panels, and the infill will essentially hold that down onto the rooftop. So Wilson's going to be coming out here in a second. We're going to get going. We'll meet Willie over at the bagel shop. Sit in the front because we got to go pick up Willie anyway. Don't be a weirdo. Good morning. How are you? Wilson's such a good boy getting me breakfast. Here he is. We got Willie. What's up, Willie?
Yep.
Ready to go?
Always.
All right. Let's go drive through the insanity of New York.
New York. Oh, forget about it.
New York. All right. We're going to get going.
Money in my wallet.
You brought up more money? Oh, yeah.
X-rated.
We're filming, buddy. We're filming. All right. We made it to Brooklyn. We're going to start unloading stuff.
Why? Should we leave the stuff in there?
We got to empty the truck out.
Yeah, but so we can get the truck.
I mean, I figured we'd be able to use this area to cut. You know?
Definitely go with that here.
What the f is this? We're trying to unload that roll of turf. You want us to pull forward?
English.
Pull forward?
English.
No English. Man. Man. Tell me when.
Probably more because they're working in that area.
Well,
Doing the stonework.
Well, tell me when.
That's good. So we're gonna just roll it off.
We're gonna push it right off the truck, yeah. My windows up?
Windows are not up.
Okay, go ahead.
Mirrors are in.
You got the dolly? Gracias, señor. Upsy daisy. Wilson, we're gonna need you down here, buddy.
Don't hurt your legs, man.
You gotta lift the back, right?
Yeah, lift with your back.
The base comes from here.
Yep, pull it from your core. There you go, gentlemen. You're good. Wilson. 2 jugs. Grab all the staples. You want the weed barrier or not?
No.
Whoa. I can't hear him. What do you say?
I got the semen tape over there already.
Can you put that in the
That's why I read.
toolbox thing? Think we need anything else out of here?
No,
No? Okay.
let's get to work.
All right, well, I gotta back my truck out of here, so I gotta go park the truck. I'm backing up. Found some parking in Brooklyn in the morning. It's about 8:30. It's a little cold, say 45 degrees or so, which isn't that bad on the street, but we'll see how it is up on the rooftop. I'm glad we were able to drop off the turf and there weren't too many tradesmen here. But as you can hear, the building's under construction. What's up? Do we have a landing down there to open it up?
Do it right here.
Okay. So you want to run upstairs real quick and take measurements, make sure we're good?
Bringing stuff upstairs. I was there for
We're
you.
putting everything by the elevator.
We're going everything upstairs?
Most of it, the stuff that you don't want to just have out here, like the power broom and the leaf blower, tools.
Okay. Let's get it. Let's get it. Man, that's a lot of trash. What are you doing? All night. All night long. Good morning. Oh, night long. I figured we'd do it in here.
He told me no. He said he wants to do it upstairs.
Okay.
So whatever y'all want.
Oh, somebody's up there. Willie, somebody's up there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
We're ready to take the stairs. This elevator isn't fully activated yet, so you ride it up and you have to ride it right back down. You have to hold the button in while you're in the elevator to actually move it. It's kind of a pain in the butt. So the guys are gonna run upstairs and try to see if they can get the elevator running down so we can bring all this stuff in. Hey, what's up?
Get somebody, but the door to the rooftop is locked. We don't have that fob. Take it there.
So how do we get to the roof? Why is this so difficult today? Excuse me. How do we get the elevator working?
El elevador es debe ser.
How do we get it working?
Arriba en el cis. Toca bajarlo.
So we have to go up there to bring it down?
No está funcionando solo. Toca tú manipularlo.
How do we get to the roof then? How do we get to the roof?
Y ahí lo bajas y la subes.
No, I mean, is there stairs to get to the roof?
No.
Okay. Like these doesn't go to the roof?
Escalera, sí.
Is it locked? Because my guy said it's locked. Do you have a key?
Espera, ven.
Hello.
Hi, good morning. This is Joe from All Season. How are you?
I'm good. How about yourself?
I'm okay. We're having trouble trying to get the elevator running, and then the stairs actually don't go up to the rooftop. I think the door is locked. Is there anyone that you can communicate with here at this Franklin job to help us out?
I have a foreman over there on site. I'll help you out. I'll text you the number right now.
Okay, yeah. If you could either call him or.
Yeah, I have one of my guys. Yeah, I have one of my guys over there. Are you on site?
Yes, we've been here since 8 o'clock trying to get upstairs.
Okay, so
Okay.
let me. I'm texting
We're good?
you the number. You can meet him, and I'll help you get up.
Okay, I think we just got the elevator running. Somebody. Yep. I appreciate it. All right, thank you. I think we're good. All right, bye.
Bye.
Please leave your message.
All right. No idea where my guys are. How are you today? Good?
Good.
Good.
Thank you.
Good. Not too bad.
How many yourself?
Well, I mean, I have 2 other guys. They're somewhere in the building. They were trying to get to the elevator to get up, but I don't know.
It's work with you guys.
Yeah.
5th floor.
Basically split up to try and find the stairs to,
Oh, Wilson's not even here?
no, he might get away.
Oh boy. We might have lost him forever.
I'm gonna call him.
He might be over at some female bodega trying to get a little lucky. If I know Wilson, that's what he's doing.
I came in that side.
Please leave your message.
See? I think his phone's off.
Came up that side.
He came up that side?
This is the side where the door was locked. When we came up together, we keep him over here.
Okay.
And then I went a different way, and I ended up in that building.
Well, does that open up from the outside?
Truck.
Yeah. Jam this crap under there. It's a little windy up here. There's our project. This is one of the 3 areas. So this is a 16-foot round circle.
That one's 12 by 12.
So let's cut 13 for that one.
This is a tad under 16, so 16 is gonna get you there.
Let's cover 16 and a half for this one.
Right on the money with 16.
So let's do 17 then. So 13 and 17. The final area is here. This is supposed to be 14 by 8, but
They fixed it. No, they didn't fix it.
they did not fix the corner. Yeah, this corner was chipped out when we put in our base panels and they just stuck some foam under it. So we're cutting 10, that's 9. Man, that's loud. This is 9? So we're cutting 9? Okay. Alright, we got our numbers. So let's go down and pull some turf. Yeah, I know. I don't know where Wilson is either. We gotta go find him. He's lost in the building. That crazy dude. Well, I'm assuming he'll go back downstairs because you know there's turf down there. So let's go down.
Hold it.
He should be
There
fine.
you are.
No, he's not. He's not even here. Yo, how funny would that be if he just vanishes for the whole entire day,
Like
and, then,
gone.
and then shows up like at the truck,
He's at his house, calls you from the house.
and he's like, "I'm ready for pay, guys."
I don't know where I went.
Wilson, Wilson, you here? He's in there somewhere, and I think his phone's still in my truck. Well, we got to go find Wilson. Can you go check him out? See where you can find him.
I'm on the case.
Operation Find Wilson. Let's go get it.
I'm gonna play like search music.
Yeah. Go ahead.
My phone is not on Do Not Disturb, so I can contact you.
Yeah. Well, Wilson left his phone in my truck because it was dead this morning. I don't know what he was doing, but
Staying here, right?
I'm gonna stay here. Yeah. Because we got to come back and cut that turf. We're gonna bring it up. It's about 9:15. We wasted so much time trying to get up that elevator bank. It's ridiculous, but that's what it is in the city, unfortunately. Will, you want your water? Nice catch. Surprised.
I needed my phone.
Yeah, I know, it's in the truck. You left it.
I know. That's why I was picking up like, damn.
So 17, 9, 13.
Yep.
Roll it out.
Roll it out.
That'll fit.
You sure?
I'll make it fit.
Okay.
Stuff it in there.
So that's the first one? Good job, Willie. Nice work.
Beautiful.
The other way.
Yeah, yes.
Giants fan.
Watch your mouth in New York.
Me? Oh yeah, he's gonna get his ass kicked. He's gonna get his ass whooped.
I'm safe. What are they gonna do? 49-17. And it should have been 60 something.
All right, let's see if we can get these two up first. We're gonna have to turn it sideways.
Which way go? This way or that way?
This way, I guess. Whoa, what are you doing? Go through the door.
Oh fuck, I stepped on it.
Going up. Send me up, Scotty. Send me up.
One hell of a day already.
I know, you got lost for 45 minutes. I thought you went out to breakfast. Oh well.
Oh well. Hopefully this goes fast.
Have you even been up to the roof yet?
Nope. Well, yeah. I found the entrance and then you guys went out there.
Oh yeah, we left. Well, we opened the door for you. So do me a favor, pull those bags off there so I can drag it.
Oh shit.
Don't rip them though. Hold up, my tools. Save the tools. Save the tools. I'm stuck on something. Woo! No, it's really light. That's one.
2 more to go.
We got 2 more to go. Let's go get them. Whoa!
That's right.
Whoa!
That's right.
Whoa, you're fast.
Right at your feet.
Wow!
I'm gonna go up though.
Wow!
Because I'm not gonna get there.
That's a low price. Panels are coming down, dude. We got any more infill?
Yeah, but not right here.
Want me to go get it?
Can you
It's
go?
all the way to the front.
How many more bags we got? Because we got 3 guys here. I'll go back down for him. You gotta hit this floor first. There you go. I'll come back down. And then we gotta get that. You gotta hold it all the way, bud,
I did. I thought I heard it shut.
until it starts moving. You feel? There you go. Now you can let go.
I'm gonna hold it.
You can if you want. Doesn't matter.
Just be safe.
I don't think the fireman inspected this one yet.
No, so just as I dropped it off, I was starting to walk off to go grab the infill, and then I saw it said L. I'm like, oh, they're right here. I'm gonna go drop. I'm getting hot with the hat, jacket.
We'll take the jacket off. You can throw it right over the
Yeah, I'll
the
throw you
roof.
first. So my jacket has something soft to land on.
Oh, I can pick this one up.
I know it's a light one.
Open up, door. Open up. Whew. I don't know what's going on over there. That is crazy freaking loud. I don't know if they're drilling pylons for a building or what, but that is ridiculously loud. Just cut the 12. You gotta hit the floor.
I don't live here.
I know, neither do I. Going down. I like jobs where we could just roll wheelbarrow in and out of the project site a lot easier than these elevator jobs.
When you first told me in New York, I was like, oh shit.
It's not that bad. I mean,
Not for this job, type of job.
listen. If
For the elevators, really.
no, I know. I mean, if it was a big enough job where we're doing like, 1,000 feet plus,
Yeah.
then you get a crane to just bring the materials up and plop it on the roof.
I don't know if that's
Why?
possible.
Why not? Anything's possible.
I mean, yeah, it's possible, but you're gonna pay for that?
If it's quoted in the job, yeah. I mean, I'm not gonna be the one running the crane. I'd like to, but I won't be.
That doesn't mean that you can't. You can figure it out.
Oh, I know.
You figured out a bobcat.
Yeah, figured out 2 bobcats without even a bobcat license. You guys are funny.
Oh, man.
You jokester, you.
That's funny.
I got a tape.
Oh, man.
We're gonna do 13, right? Right here.
I don't have a blade either, Joe.
How do you not have a blade? There's probably another 12 feet on that. Here you go up.
For your sample box.
Yeah, a mohawk or a tail. Whoa, Wilson! Stop drinking. Fifth floor, please.
Why are you sitting down? You got shit?
He was on the toilet for like 10 minutes before I picked him up. That's why we were late.
I know, that's why I was like, I saw the message and you guys still were, and I'm like, where are you guys?
I gotta use the bathroom again.
And usually he's all right, we got it. Nice. Oh yeah. Woo!
That goes over there.
You sure?
Positive.
Now we need a guy named Wilson to come over here and pull this. Well, I'm kind of hard to hold it up with my hand. Can you hold it up? Put it in there.
You having trouble getting it in, Joe?
You ready? This one's got to go over there.
All right, kids.
And watch your head, because this thing's on the other side as well.
You got the claws.
The claws right underneath it.
Down.
Did a lot of work up here. When I first came to do the quote, this was all just rooftop with the rubber membrane on it and some of that. So it's just this stuff. And they put all this deck board in, teak boards, all these little flowering pots. Gotta face it yonder. Yeah, we're pivoting.
Oh, this way?
Straight back. Okay, good. Just put it down.
I want the seam over there, so it's like, it's not on the ground.
Okay. Alrighty, I like it. Another inch. There you go. What is this?
Peaceful.
This is gonna come off that 12-foot roll then, right? Yeah. Yeah, what do you got? 7 feet?
A tiny little bit.
Go ahead.
So it's gonna be more than that, right?
I overestimated. It was 6 feet, but we'll add another foot. So 7 feet on top.
3,
7,
12,
10.
42. Height.
So what do you think?
Oh, the worst part is done.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
So the other one's just set already?
The 8x14 is set. This other one, the 12-foot circle, we got it set. And for this one, where are they going to see it the most? I'm going to say this one, we face it that direction. Where's the circle on this side? Oh, we're right on. Okay. That's good right there. That's good. Oh, perfecto. So then this piece right here, you see this? We'll slice off and use for over there. I think Willie's just admiring the scenery. He likes long walks on the beach and brown puppy dogs.
Chocolate milk too.
Chocolate milk. It's not every day we get to work on a rooftop, right?
This season.
Yeah, it's a little chilly up here.
Windy.
And windy, yep.
Not that cold.
It's a nice view though.
Now, until they put up more highlights.
Yeah, exactly. They're building a building over there. So those poles we're hammering in 1, 2, 3. We're hammering in supports, I guess, for the new building that they're going to build. Probably something similar to that one. I want to know why they didn't put turf down in here.
You know, things like this are in New York, most of the time it's like an afterthought.
Really?
Yeah.
Because on the
Like
layout,
awnings, it's like the last thing that they take care of.
on the engineering plan, it included this section and a mirrored section over there, but I guess because there was the exhaust vent that they covered up with those teak boards, they told me not to put that. And you can tell, because look, they put different pavers in here. These are 2x4, these are 3x3, I guess. So this section was the same as that. But I don't know, I wasn't part of the design plan trying to figure out what the heck they're doing here. I was just called in after the general contractor said, hey, you know, come over here and give me a quote to put grass in. But I tell you what, it looks damn good up here. I don't know what it is, but I love turf. The fluffier, the better. So the turf that we get is from a company, it's American-made turf. But the tallest pile they have is 1.5 inches. So up here in the Northeast, as you know, we have a lot of weeds and everything else that people cover, but it's not like down south where there's a lot of putting greens and golf courses and real short, you know, grass types. Like we get real long grass that grows in our native areas. So a lot of people are looking for like 2-inch piles, 2.5-inch piles, and I've been searching around for a couple companies, but unfortunately those are either manufactured in other countries, and I really don't feel good representing, you know, those turf products. I'd rather have it solely based out of the United States or manufactured out of the United States. It's just the way that I want to be, you know. I mean, I could sell China turf, but to be honest with you, I wouldn't want to put my name behind it. I just don't. I mean, it's cheaper in other countries for sure, but the warranty that we can get with the United States turf and the customer relationships that we have with those. Really, why didn't they put turf under this? Look. Like, what's the design for that? I don't know, maybe they'll call us to put turf in here too. But it's gonna be...
They gotta do something with these pavers.
Yeah, they gotta cut it somehow straight. Because it's gonna look
I
funky.
thought they were gonna put more pavers in it. Sorry.
Listen, I don't know what the plan was. I only got the plan.
It was glued down too.
Yeah, I only got the plan for the turf.
You see the backing on this stuff?
Yeah, it's indoor carpet.
I'm saying, like, it's thick.
It's indoor carpet.
That'll destroy the blades way faster than.
They did try to glue it down. Or, did they? Yeah. Because it's coming up off the foam. It's because they didn't want the wind taking it away. We gotta tape up these corner chunks and throw them in their pile of scraps
Throw them in a garbage bag.
in the hallway. I'm not wasting garbage bags on that. We're gonna tape it up and chuck it on top of the pile that's downstairs.
2 bags for over there?
Put a bag and a half over there and see how that gets you. Ooh, that's it's smooth. Thank you.
I'm show you guys how to do it when you're a pro. Because Joe doesn't know what he's doing. No, he does. Just not as good as I do. This tail just keeps going, man. It's like the Energizer Bunny. Just keeps going. You want to start stapling? Yeah, get to work. What am I, the only one that works around here?
Waiting for you?
What do you mean you're waiting for me? I cut the first piece, I cut the second piece, and you were still stapling. Now I'm cutting this one. I cut faster than you staple. Absolutely. Absolutely, because we started working that first piece at the same time.
That one had a seam, so you gotta understand that.
All right, and I still had to put that seam together. What, you want me to wait for you?
I'm about to catch you right now.
You definitely not. Tag, you're it. I'm about to catch you. I'm coming to get you. He's not catching me. No way, Jose. I'll compromise the quality of this job right now. I'll just cut across it. Be like, oh, done. Didn't catch me. Catch me, crazy. Look, I'm already done. I'm already done. Look, I just moved like 3 feet. You don't even put one staple in yet. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Nice. It doesn't get any more noiser than that.
Yo, keep it down.
What's your favorite holiday, Joe?
Man, this guy's shooting sparks right in front of the other guy's face.
I like Thanksgiving.
I love Thanksgiving too.
Thanksgiving was always my favorite. Because I used to be fat when I was little.
Well, I think we're all fat as kids, aren't we? Except Winston?
I said like Winston.
What, you need a knife?
That's.
You need a knife to cut that bag open?
About his heart. His heart throbs for you, Joe. My heart.
You need a knife to cut those bags open? Yo, why don't you do something?
Doing this.
Good, get to it.
Look, he thinks he staples faster than I cut. Look at this.
Nobody cuts as fast as you staple.
I'm surprised the circle's looking pretty good, man.
Wow.
You had to see yesterday's job.
Wow. What are they?
Saw the seam yesterday, even though you were there. The point is, you couldn't see. That's how good it was. No, are you gonna staple or what? You over here contemplating flight.
We got guys down there cutting up railings. We have people over here putting in frame boards, the Trek boards, boxing in that gateway. They're playing crazy loud music, so we're trying to shy clear of that. And then we're over here just cutting turf in the helicopter pads. So we could take the helicopter here if we got to do another job.
I said we should have took the chopper. I have a private jet.
Do you really?
Yeah.
I'm paying you way too much.
No, it's not about that. No, I had this this like hypothetical with my sister. I'm like, would you be mad? Like, be real with me. Would you genuinely be mad or upset with me if I was secretly a billionaire and nobody knew it?
What'd you say?
She was like, I wouldn't be mad. Would I be like feeling some type of way that like I'm over here like struggling with my student payments and all this other stuff, and you have billions of dollars? Yeah. She's like, you can buy a house down here. I'm like, I'm buying a house in like yeah, like Italy or
tropical island.
Yeah, somewhere tropical or foreign.
I mean, to be honest with you, I worked for people that were multi-billionaires, and they just didn't have a care in the world to wake up. They weren't motivated to do anything because essentially their bank account was full every single day. So they had no drive to get up and do anything. So all of their time was spent either buying new cars that came out and then using them for a week and then like selling them, or
saying if you're just a billionaire but you still have a purpose, like if you do what you love.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about being a lazy billionaire. I'm just talking about being a secret billionaire.
Well, here's a good question. If you were a billionaire, would you still be installing turf?
Probably not.
Why?
I'd do something a little more adventurous.
Like what? Skydiving?
Absolutely not.
What do you consider adventurous?
I don't know.
You gotta think about that.
Like if I was a billionaire, I'd start a whole new football team and like be the owner.
It would be the Willie's Wackabees?
Yeah.
You couldn't name them the Cowboys.
Start a pool franchise.
You need more? Oh, you broke it?
You said make sure it doesn't get down to 1. It's
not. Well, what'd you do to it?
I just noticed it wasn't shooting out anymore.
That's because there's a nail shoved in there and the pin stuck.
Why it's not below that.
Now it's even worse. What's blocking it? So you see this guide here? See that U-bolt that's in there? It pushes up against those. I guess this got on the other side of those, or maybe it was, I think it was clipped like this. So there's a small clip that went like this. Got stuck in it.
You might catch up to me.
Let's go, guys. The sun's encroaching on the turf area. We gotta get
that's
out
what
of
we're
here.
hoping for. Why don't you go drop the infill over there?
Why am I always the one that's got to do all
Because you're not doing anything. Are you kidding me?
My sister got COVID. So
Looking doorknobs again?
I don't. Well, my sister works for like as a student teacher over at Kumon, so she's involved with all the kids, and obviously with kids comes germs.
Look how long this tail is.
That's actually true, but my girlfriend, she she hasn't worked since she had a baby or whatever.
Yeah.
Last year she was sick a lot.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because she deals with just straight kids.
Every time I'm like calling my cousin, my goddaughter's mother, she's always sick every time I call her.
I'm surprised I'm not.
3 kids.
I'm surprised I'm not sick more dealing with all you guys.
I'm grown.
Bunch of kids.
Well, that answers that.
Got it.
Who cuts faster and who staples faster?
Technically, you cut that twice.
I did.
Because you cut the fat off and then you went
And then I cut it again.
and then fine cut it.
And then I cut that one, I cut that one.
The only reason it looks pretty good is because you got a tracer.
A tracer? An edge?
An edge.
A guide?
A guy.
It's like a
I would
handy.
have been done faster if
It's like a handicap railing. Good? All right. He said it's all right. He said it's just all right. I guess you can't please everybody. Always waiting on Willie. He rushes us in the morning because he's at the bagel shop, and then when we're going to lunch, what do we do? You coming in? You want to take the elevator or do you want to take the stairs?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes and yes.
Take the stairs.
I didn't say that. I just said yes. You gave me 2 options.
So let's bring us out to the front. I'll drive the truck around. We gotta load up that extra load of turf on the truck. All right.
Yep.
No.
There you go. Now you're thinking. Now you're using your noodle.
That's definitely ours. See, it's got grass tines in it.
I know. When I looked at the bottom, I saw. I was like, yeah, this is definitely ours.
Okay. Good.
The elevator was upstairs, so I had to go the long way.
No tool left behind. Look, I just leaf blew that out and all the leaves just came right back. Good. All right. How do you think it came out?
That's why they call it fall.
Think it came out good?
It came out pretty good.
Good. Nice job. As always, Wilson. How do you think it came out, bud?
Hey, hey!
What? I'm doing it. That's mine.
Yeah.
My son kissed.
You're in the truck.
Yeah, we just got water and. This guy's out of his cool. How do you think it turned out? Perfect. Good. Nice job, buddy. It's 12 o'clock right now.
Oh, New York!
Willie's got a bit of a problem. I'm not sure what's up with him. All right, we're gonna get on the road and get back to Bayonne, but we'll see you guys on the next one.